Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to switch off Realme Narzo 60. To switch off Realme Narzo 60, first we have to enter power menu. In order to do it, as on any latest Android smartphone, simultaneously press and hold power button and volume up button. Now swipe down the dot in the center of the screen and release it. Thanks to this procedure, you will power off your smartphone. If you want to enter power menu only by pressing power button, let's go to settings and find gesture, Windows and gestures, power button, power menu, and select power menu instead of digital assistant. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.